it's Tina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be taking you guys on a fun little summer beach day with my friends. It's currently 10:30. I'm starting the day out by the pool. I'm gonna tan for a little bit, and then later, once my friends get out of work and stuff, we're gonna head down to the beach. Let's get this tanning started. And my current obsession is Conan Gray's new album. It just came out yesterday. I just got the bright idea to go pick up an acai bowl because I feel like that is a part of the ideal summer day. We're gonna be whooping my mom's car, the Jeep. I love my Toyota RAV4. I love her, but for summer beach day, I asked my mom if we could swap because
Beep beep, so let's ride, let's ride.
this is the best part.
So you had me thinking that I was the reason that I was fucking losing my
It's so good! Okay, we're gonna go in.
What the fuck? I'm like, bruh.
We'll do it on the way home. We're gonna do a taste test. I'm scared that this is gonna be super strong. I kind of am thinking. This is so strong.
I was hoping it would be like more lemonade-y. Mine's not that strong.
Yeah, pretty strong.
Mine's not that strong. Dude, I wanted mine to be more like lemonade than Tito's.
I'll try.
It's good though.
Okay, guys, try mine now. I feel like Jesse's Bachelorette's with Pavillon Martini.
I'm really scared to try
I like
this.
that. It is good, but
Yeah.
it's strong. But that's fine.
We don't get that
Get a
now.
little tipsy and then go to the beach and then Mike does not like it.
Taste test.
Usually I'm like
Taste test.
I haven't eaten a single thing today, so I really want to like eat first before I hammer down on it dry. Buddy,
I already tasted it.
well, again for the camera. Going in for the first sip.
The normal Captain and Coke.
Give me those East Coast summers, Maryland to Maine. Now the seaside stoners dancing in the rain with your cheeks so sunburned. I can see you miles away, yeah. And you're a West Coast girl, but your heart is in the ocean state. These nights run on the seaside sprays, and this little town starts to celebrate. Sapphire sailboats drifting down Atlantic waves, and it's nothing like that Venice breeze or silver screens. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking you
Matt, this guy smells your fish. Let it off.
He's like, I'm just a shy guy.
Nah, get the fuck out of here. He thought about it for a second.
Hi vlog, Grace Cam. Look at this setup because it's honestly so cute. And I'm having such a fun time. And the sun is setting way too fast and I don't want this day to end. Look how beautiful. Tina looks so artsy. With her beachy hair. They've caught no fish so far. No fish yet. Hey Matt, how long is a haddock?
About 17.
17 feet. You've heard it here first, folks. I don't know who told him that. Really wrong. Tina hasn't been vlogging that much today, so I'm filling in for you guys.
Thanks.
Getting those angles. Hanging up on it. Gorgy. Look at that reflection. Alright, that vlog. Took me a minute to start this. The sunset's still popping off. And we took the Jeep today, so it's pretty sick. Here they are. On our way to get firewood.
We're off to get some firewood.
I told them that's where we're going.
Handle on that side. Must be hitting that box. Look, Matt, you want to hold it and show her how to hold it? What? Hold the rod and show her how to hold it and just show her the motion. Follow through. Back up. Now let go of the line. Now you're ready. That was good. That was better than Mickey.
Reel it in.
Oh,
What just happened? He'll fix it.
He left it in.
To our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
Oh, happiness in her, like a bullet in her. Run, fast for your mother, fast for your father.
I've been breaking hearts a long time, and Lord, take me, my drug is my baby. I'll be using for the rest of my life.
You stay.
Oh, baby, your love made me crazy. Loving me all my life. Take me, my drug
And we've arrived.
for the rest of my life.
I said Tina. Okay, we're ordering McDonald's.
McDonald's, would you be using the mobile app today?
I do a number 7, please, a meal. Can I do a chocolate milk for the drink? Okay. Can I get a spicy deluxe chicken sandwich meal with no tomato? And can I get a Dr. Pepper with that? I have the number 4 spicy McChicken sandwich. And can I have it with no lettuce, tomato, or pickles? No lettuce, and then no tomatoes too. And then if there's pickles, no pickles. Yeah. Sure. Thank you. I just zoomed in on my face the whole time.
Sunday best, watching their pearls, sighing what I'm